In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the Singapore noodles. Let's get right into it. So these are all the ingredients we're using for this recipe. I have rice noodles here, shrimp, beef, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, onions, black pepper, Aleeza grills marinade, green beans, chicken, vegetable oil, seasoning cube and salt, cabbage, green, yellow and red pepper, carrots, and sesame oil. So firstly, I'm going to just season the shrimp with some salt, the shrimp, the beef, all the protein that I'm using. So whatever protein you decide to use, make sure you just slightly season it with some salt. Don't put too much because we're still going to add some more seasoning later, and we don't want it to be too salty. So just season that and mix it together. Okay, so I'm going to soak my rice noodles in some boiling water, which I just took off the fire. Let it really cover it and submerge, and let it sit here for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to add some vegetable oil to the pan, some Aleeza grills marinade. If you don't have this, feel free to use scotch bonnet, chili powder, basically anything that's going to add a bit of a kick and heat to your meal. So yeah, just some of that is good. So stir that up and let it simmer. So this has a lot of spices and flavor. I'm just going to let it fry a bit, and just flavor the oil before I go in with the other ingredients. I'll add my black pepper as well. And then I'll go in with the beef and the chicken. I'll let that cook until it changes color and it's just slightly burnt. That's the look I'm going for. So basically, once it changes color on both sides, we're good to go with the other ingredients. That way we're sure that it has slightly cooked, and it should be perfectly cooked once the meal is done. Make sure your heat is not too high. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will be happy to read and answer them. And also, commenting helps me see that you guys are enjoying my video and just pushes me to create better content for you guys, right? So please make sure you leave a comment. Nothing is too small. Even an emoji is fine. Okay, I'll now go ahead to add the shrimp. Oops. Let's stir that up. Shrimp does not take long to cook. So once the shrimp goes in, just speed up and add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to go with my onions, my green beans, my carrots, and just mix that up. Just let it take its time and really simmer so all the flavors can bind together. I will now add the light soy sauce just to balance the taste out a bit, and the dark soy sauce for color. I'll now go ahead to add the peppers. Stir that up. Let that cook for like 1 minute-ish. I will now go in with the rice noodles. And this is where I switch up my tool, my utensil, to this one. And then I'll just add my seasoning cube. If you don't want to use seasoning cube, you don't need to. Just add more marinade. And then, or you can use salt instead. But using salt at this point is very risky, so you can use more light soy sauce or just any other sauce that already has flavor, or oil that already has taste and flavor. So just stir this up nicely, and then I'll add the cabbage and flip. There's one more ingredient to go, so we're not done yet. Just one more. Okay, so if the seasoning is not spreading out like you'd like, just add a little bit more water, like so, and let that help it simmer nicely. And then I'll go in for the final flavor with the sesame oil. Yeah, just drizzle that on top and let it bind together nicely. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. Like, that comment is so important to me. I want to hear from you. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Looks good. And we're done.